Question number 7. Find the value of sigma k equal to 1 to 8 of cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9. Here we have to find the value of summation of k, that is from 1 to 8. Okay, let me take this given thing as sigma k equal to 1 to 8 cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9 here. Here it's clearly given divided by 9, isn't it? That means it's the ninth root. If it is ninth root, the roots of the equation is nothing but 1 comma omega square comma etc. till omega power 8, since it is the ninth root. Okay, so we have to sum all the roots of the equation, so that we can take the roots of that as 1 plus omega square plus omega power 8 equal to 0. Take this 1 to the other side, it will become minus 1. So omega plus omega square plus omega cube plus etc. plus omega power 8 equal to minus 1 here. So let me take k equal to 1 in the given bracket there. So if it is k equal to 1, cos, it will become cos 2 pi by 9 plus I sin 2 pi by 9. It's nothing but omega. And then put k equal to 2. It becomes cos 4 pi by 9 plus I sin 4 pi by 9. It's nothing but omega square. It goes on there. If k equal to 8, it will become cos 16 pi by 9 plus I sin 16 pi by 9. It's nothing but omega power 8. So sum of all the terms are nothing but sigma k equal to 1 to 8. Here it's given clearly, that given problem, that is the sum of all the terms here, which is equal to 1. Okay, if you add everything, it will be 1 here. Question number 8. If omega is not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity, show that 1 minus omega plus omega square the whole power 6 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square the whole power 6 equal to 128. Okay, here it's clearly given 1 is the cube root of unity, so that we can take the result as omega cube equal to 1. Okay, for the first solution we can take this omega is a cube root of unity, omega cube equal to 1. And one more thing, 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Okay, so then the given thing what we were going to find here is 1 minus omega plus omega square the whole power 6 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 6. So let me take here, keep this minus omega as it is there. 1 plus omega square is nothing but, from this results we can take the value. 1 plus omega square is nothing but minus omega. Keep this whole power 6 as it is. And then keep this minus omega square as it is here. 1 plus omega is nothing but minus omega square. From this results we can take this as minus omega square. So I can take this minus omega and minus omega is minus 2 omega. And here minus omega square and minus omega square as minus 2 omega square whole power 6, and both the things there. Okay, and then I can take this minus 2 as common thing here. So take minus 2 power 6 as common. And the remaining thing we have the omega power 6 and here omega power 12. Multiply these two, so that we got omega power 12. So omega power 6 is nothing but omega cube into omega cube, isn't it? So 1 into 1, that is 1. Omega power 12 is nothing but, we can write this as omega cube into omega cube into omega cube, that is also 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 here. So 64 into 2 is nothing but 128. So this is the result we want for the first thing. And let me see the second one. 1 plus omega plus 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square into 1 plus omega power 4 into 1 plus omega power 8 etc. 1 plus omega power 2 power n. 2n. So it's nothing but from 1 to 2n factors are given here. Okay, so we can write this as 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square into 1 plus omega power 4 into 1 plus omega power 8, etc. This 2n factors, because here it's given 1 plus omega power 2n, that is 2n factors are there. So we can simply write the value of this. 1 plus omega is minus omega square, 1 plus omega square is minus omega, and here this is 1 plus omega power 4 is nothing but omega cube into omega, isn't it? So 1 plus omega will be there, it's nothing but minus omega square. And even here we can take this as omega cube into omega square. So 1 plus omega square is here, so the value is minus omega. So we can conclude this minus omega square into minus omega is omega cube. Even here also like this, omega cube. Say etc. It will be go till 2n pass factors there. So the value of omega cube is 1, isn't it? So 1 into 1 is nothing but 1 here. So the